Okay, guys. I got this. Let me stick it. I've already disconnected that. This has already been opened. This Hyper Tough screwdriver set with a flexible magnetic retriever. You can see all the sizes there. Now, I've had this for a little while. I did already have it open once, but I believe I got this on sale. I believe this was a Christmas item at Walmart for Christmas time, and I think it was only like 13 bucks or something. So, you know, might as well have it around in case you need one of them sizes for something. This is I didn't disconnect this yet because I already have one of these. This is for grabbing your. We can see in there. It has a little, it's not going to work right now. All right, there it starts to come out. But that comes out further. It would come out further if I had this disconnected. You know, if you drop something, I've used it. I've used the other one I have quite a few times for when I'm working on my Jeep, dropping something down where it shouldn't go. Okay, now with this you get this driver, which is ratchet. Just flick your switch, go the other way. It should be in the middle. Yeah, solid. You get that. Get this set of nut drivers. These should be the metric ones. There's the sizes you get. Six-point. And then you get this set. I mean, I don't use these a lot, but it seems like anymore when you're doing something, they always got a few things that have these star bits or some other kind in there. So, I mean, for cheap, it's good to have something if you need it in a pinch. Like that. And these are your regular sizes of these. This out. And this is mainly your standard Phillips head. And there goes my camera. I guess I'll have to cut that part out. Some more kind of weird. I don't know, they look, I guess those ones are a little funky looking. I don't know, and then this part here, which I didn't have out. And I don't really need it for nothing at the moment. As you can see, it's got some flex to it. So if you got to get into a tighter spot. Just hook that up. It's got this funky little, and I guess that's just a bit that comes with it. Just a little oddball one. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it was like 13 bucks. Something like that. I do believe it was a Christmas thing. That's why it was so cheap. But, I mean, for that price, you can't pass it up. You never know. You're just going to happen to need one of these oddball ends for something. And these are kind of nice, too. I've used these before. I don't use them that often, but I've used them before. All right, guys.